I have never run this account before. This is my first day. So I'm looking at what was done in the account before. What's up, guys? This is Mark Augustine here, and in this video we're going to start an eBay dropshipping journey of 2026. I'm going to show you how to set up the account properly, what you should look at, what you should look at when you list. So like the video, subscribe. This is an account that one of my friends asked me to take over, so I figured it would be helpful to do this whole process with you guys live on YouTube. So like the video, subscribe. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mark Augustine. I've been drop shipping on eBay for a very long time, over 10 years. And my goal with this channel is to help you guys make money online. So let me share my screen. Let's see what we're looking at here. So this is the eBay account. Let's first look at the settings. Make sure all our settings are set up properly. You want to look at your selling preferences, your return preferences. So remember, this is the first day, guys. You want this on. This should always be on. So the first thing is the return preferences. If you have this RMA number checked off, they're going to be able to automatically request returns, but you want this on so you could provide return labels on your returns. So if you're a beginner and you don't have that set up, you want to do that. Is there anything else on this page? There's nothing else on this page I'll want to check. Shipping preferences. So you want to make sure and go through these policies. Right, so this is a return policy, shipping policy. Let's see what this looks like just to make sure. 1 to 4 days shipping, 2-day handling time. Okay, perfect. Excluded areas, Alaska and Hawaii. So you want to choose, when you set up your shipping policy, you want to choose generally 1 to 4 days. Remember, all the items are going to be shipped free, and you want to exclude Hawaii and Alaska. So the shipping policy, business policies are fine. And let's see what else we're looking at. You want to look at the performance and traffic. I have never run this account before. This is my first day. So I'm looking at what was done in the account before. So it's about 20,000 impressions every day. It's gone down 20%. So I have to look at my strategy on this account will be to make sure that my bulk listing, I use the filter to make sure I'm using items that sold multiple times. And you'll see that in a future video. And I will do a lot of product substitution and sniping on this account as well. It is August, coming down to the middle to the end of August. So a few months before Christmas. So this is why I'm starting this journey, guys. And so this is just an introduction. This is day one. When I'm listing and doing some more work on the account, I would update you guys and do the actual listing, do the actual product substitution, do the actual work so you guys can learn from me. Let me know if you guys are currently dropshipping. If you're not, you want to start dropshipping now, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Look in the description to a link for my group and my calendar. Have a good one.